Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular grooming kits, the Braun Series 77440 and the SHPAVVER 12IN1. Both promise to deliver a comprehensive grooming experience. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the better choice for your grooming needs. The Braun Series 77440 is priced at $119, positioning it as a premium grooming tool. In contrast, the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 offers a more budget-friendly option at just $59. While the Braun emphasizes high precision and advanced technology, the SHPAVVER provides excellent value for those looking for a reliable grooming solution without breaking the bank. When it comes to precision, the Braun Series 77440 shines with its 40-length settings, allowing for extremely fine adjustments. This is particularly beneficial for users who desire specific stubble lengths or detailed grooming. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER offers 19 settings, which, while functional, may not provide the same level of customization for those who prioritize precision in their grooming routine. Battery performance is another critical factor. The Braun Series 77440 boasts a runtime of 100 minutes, while the SHPAVVER provides 90 minutes of cordless use. However, the SHPAVVER stands out with its rapid 5-minute quick charge feature, making it an excellent choice for those who need a quick grooming session without waiting for a full charge. In conclusion, both the Braun Series 77440 and the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 offer unique advantages. The Braun is ideal for those seeking precision and premium features, while the SHPAVVER provides great value and convenience. Depending on your grooming needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.